Hello everyone, good morning. In this video, we'll see how to make spicy aloo wrap, which is very easy to make and it tastes amazing. Let's get started. Heat a pan or kadhai and add 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. So ginger and garlic is in the ratio of 1:1. Saute for 5 to 7 seconds and then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and half teaspoon red chili powder. You can also adjust red chili powder as per your taste and how much spicy red chili powder you have. Now add 2 medium-sized mashed boiled potatoes and 1/4 cup boiled green peas, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon chaat masala. Chaat masala really goes well with this stuffing. Some salt as per taste. Now give everything a good mix, and at this time you need to keep the flame low. Mix till everything comes together and the masala you would notice leaves the sides. Then at the end add some chopped fresh coriander, mix well and keep the stuffing aside. Let's make the dough. So for that take 3/4 cup all-purpose flour and 3/4 cup wheat flour yani गेहूं का आटा, some salt as per taste. You can also take 100% गेहूं का आटा for this recipe. Now add water to make a medium soft dough. So I've used 1/4 cup plus a little more just to give you an idea. And the measuring cups and spoons which I use have 1 cup equal to 240 ml. After kneading the dough for 2 to 3 minutes, cover it and set it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, again knead the dough for 10 to 20 seconds or a minute, up to you, but you would notice that now the dough would become really smooth and nice. Take out a portion like this. Sprinkle some maida or atta on your countertop or chakla and roll this thin. Now put it on a hot pan or tawa at high flame. Let it cook on one side for 10 to 15 seconds, then flip it over and let it cook completely. So we don't want to cook it a lot like a normal roti, but yeah, it should not be undercooked as well. So this is done. Similarly, make the other roti or chapati. Now take one roti and apply some mayo. So here I have mixed some chili sauce in my plain mayo. You can also use plain mayo or use tomato ketchup along with mayo, up to you. Now add some processed cheese. To make one wrap, I have used 1 cube. And then with the stuffing, you need to just press it and shape it like this so that it stays really well inside this wrap. Now again, a little more mayo. Some sliced onion and the remaining cheese. So I've used 1 processed cheese cube for 1 wrap and then fold it like this. Fold it tightly and then flip it over. Repeat the same steps to make the other wrap. With this recipe, the amount of ingredients, you will be able to make 3 big spicy aloo wraps. To grill these, you can also use a grill pan, but I'm going to use my sandwich maker today. But if you have a regular grill pan or if you do not have a grill pan, you can also use a normal tawa. Just grease it with some oil and place the wraps, and you also need to apply some oil on the other side of the wrap like this. Cover and let it cook. If you're using a tawa, then you need to flip your wrap once it's done on one side. So a regular tawa or a grill tawa will also work for this recipe. A little stuffing has come out, that's okay, that's because of the weight of the sandwich maker. But yeah, it makes it more appetizing. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.